This video is from the Simple Future Tense Verbs ebook. This is part 3 of my 4-part step-by-step English verb grammar course. Please use it to support the lesson and improve your English listening skills. Future tense verbs, learn the grammar. I will play tennis tomorrow. I'm playing tennis tomorrow. These two sentences are saying the same thing, but there's a small nuance that determines if we use I will or I am doing in natural English. The noun nuance means a very slight difference that is hard to notice. A great chef is aware of every nuance of flavor in their food. Let me explain this slight difference with 2 more examples. Example 1. Henry is struggling with his current assignment. I have some free time, so I'll help him after lunch. Example 2. I'm helping Henry move next Saturday. He asked me yesterday and I said yes. Example 1 uses I'll help, and example 2 uses I'm helping. Why? Hint: when did the person in the first example decide to help Henry? When did the person in the second example decide to help Henry? In the first example, our speaker decided to help Henry as he was speaking. In the second example, our speaker has already decided to help. This is a planned activity. In the first example, Brad just found out about Henry's trouble. Then he decided to help Henry as he was speaking. I'll help him after lunch. If a future action has just been decided at the time of speaking, we use I will. In the second example, Henry asked Kevin yesterday if he could help him move, and Kevin said yes. Kevin has already decided to help. This is a planned activity. I'm helping Henry move next Saturday. If a future action has already been decided or planned, we use I am doing. Another example with will. It's starting to rain. I'll go upstairs and shut the windows in our bedroom. This action was decided at the time of speaking. Another example with ing. I'm having a barbecue party next weekend. I hope it doesn't rain. The decision to have a party was made before the time of speaking. Will is used to describe a future event that has just been decided. The infinitive form of the verb without to comes after will. I will help. He will watch. She will watch. We will go. They will go. You will go. For a planned activity, we will use the correct form of the verb to be, followed by the continuous tense. I am helping. He is watching. She is watching. We are going. They are going. You are going. The grammar used for future planned activities is the same pattern used in present continuous tense. Verb plus ing. The adverbs used in our sentences will tell you if the verb is in the continuous or future tense. Let's compare present continuous with future tense. Hey Mike, what are you doing? I'm washing my car. Mike is washing his car now. We can tell by Carol's question. When we ask, What are you doing in English? It means now. He has started washing his car, but he has not finished. I'm washing my car is the present continuous tense in this example. Hey Mike, what are you doing tomorrow? I'm washing my car. In this question, Carol uses the adverb tomorrow. This tells us that she wants information about a future time. Mike has decided to wash his car tomorrow. This is a future plan. I'm washing my car is the future tense in this example. Here are some examples of adverbs for future time. Tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, in 3 days, next week, next month, next year, in 2 weeks, in 2 months, in 2 years, soon. Here are some real examples. Grant is playing rugby tomorrow. I plan to be living in Spain next year. Spring is starting in 2 months. We're watching Romeo and Juliet in 2 weeks. I'm starting school in 5 days. I'm going to school soon. Future tense with will. Will do. Here are some natural ways to use will with English future tense verbs. In conversation, the contractions I'll, he'll, she'll, etc. are more common. I have used contractions for the examples in this section. It's common to use will after the phrase I think. It's a nice day today. I think I'll ride my bike to work. I think Wendy will be late for the morning meeting. She's stuck in traffic. I think I'll work from home today. We use will for these situations. Offer. Offer to help someone or offer to do something. Math is hard. I'll help you with your homework after dinner. If you need a hand to pack your things before the moving van comes, we'll come over and help you tonight. Come over is a phrasal verb. Agree. Agree to do something. Can you clean up the dishes after dinner? Sure. I'll do it right after dessert. Promise. Promise to do something. Dad, can you come to my school band performance this Friday after work? Absolutely. I'll be there in the front row. The negative form, won't, is also common when we promise not to do something in the future. Won't is a contraction of will not. Paul is so rude. We won't invite him to any more of our parties. You can trust me. I won't tell anyone your secret. When you ask someone to do something, will is the natural fit. Will you help me with this? Will you carry a few of these boxes for me? And when you ask someone about a future situation, will you be there on Sunday? Will it rain tomorrow? Future tense with ing. As we learned in the first example, I'm doing is used for planned activities, actions we have already decided to take. I'm watching TV all weekend. It's been a long week. The grammar going to verb is also natural in English. I'm going to watch TV all weekend. It's been a long week. Jill's going to meet her college friend on Saturday. My wife and I are going to look at houses tonight after work. look at is a phrasal verb. We were going to play hockey on Saturday, but the arena is closed for repairs. This sentence uses past continuous grammar. Playing hockey was a planned activity that changed. Use this video to review this grammar and practice your listening skills as often as you like.